This year, instead of visiting the same crowded hill stations, visit this paradise. Only 2 hours from Coorg, it's a place with epic views and unlimited adventure. Here you'll find hidden multi-tiered waterfalls right amidst the forest. Drive through scenic roads that look like this. Get the best panoramic views from every corner. Go for magical treks right amidst the clouds. Also home to the best coffee in India. It also has hidden lakes, historical monuments, and you can also climb the highest peak of Karnataka here. This is Chikmagalur, one of the most beautiful hill stations in India, and a detailed itinerary is mentioned in the description.